Example 2 on page 453, solve this equation. Alright, now this is a rational equation. You see there's denominator here. Even though you don't see this, it means 3 over 1. Denominator is 1. To solve rational equation, you find the LCM of the denominator. Okay, so first find the LCM of the denominators. So for the first fraction, denominator is 2, and that's all you can factor. 2 is prime. How about this? 3. 3 is prime, so all you can factor is 3. You can treat this as 3 over 1 you want, but 1 is equal to 1 times 1. So we don't need to write it out. So LCM is equal to this first denominator, right? 2 only happened one time. There's no 2 here. So remember, to solve LCM, you need to include all factors in both denominators. Okay, LCM of denominators. You include all factors in both denominators, but you include the one that with the highest degree. For this, 2 only happened one time because raised to the first power, so you put this here. Even 2 is not here, you still need to include 2 here. How about 3? 3 only happened one time because 3 is raised to the first power. Even 3 is not in this denominator, you still need to include it. So LCM is equal to 2 times 3 is 6. Okay. Once you know the LCM, you multiply the LCM on both sides of the equation. In doing that, you remove all the denominators. Okay. So I'll be writing the original equation. We're going to multiply LCM 6 to both sides of the equation. 6 times x plus 1 divided by 2 minus x minus 3 divided by 3 equal to 6 times 3. So I multiply 6, which is the LCM on both sides of the equation. Alright, then I will distribute this to each term inside the parentheses. Doing that, I will remove the parentheses. Okay? Alright, 2 times x plus 1 divided by 2. Okay? Minus 6 times x minus 3 divided by 3 equal to 6 times 3 is 18. Okay? Now, 6 right here on top. In the numerator, you can divide the 6 with a 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. The remaining is x plus 1 minus, again, 6 on top divided by 3. The bottom is 2. 2 times the remaining is x minus 3 equal to 18. Alright. When you see solve, it means solve for x. Okay? So we're not done yet. You need to distribute this 3 to each term inside parentheses. Same thing here. 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 1 is 3. Negative 2 times x is negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 3 is positive 6 equal to 18. Okay? Check this out. So you see that once you multiply the LCM 6 on both sides and distribute, you will see that all denominators are gone by this step, right? This 6 divided by the 2 in the denominator become 3. this 6 divided by the 3 in denominator become 2. And then 3 times 6 is 18. There's no denominator to simplify. The only thing it has is 1. And 3 divided by, and 6 divided by 1 is still 6. That's why you have 6 times 3 equal 18. Distribute, you get all these terms. Now, combine like term. On the left-hand side, you have 3x minus 2x. So 3x minus 2x is x. Okay. The constant term is 3 and 6. So 3 plus 6 is 9, equal to 18. All right. Using the addition property, you subtract 9 on both sides. Okay. Simplify, you have x plus 0x is x. 9 subtract 9 is 0. 18 subtract 9 is 9. X plus 0 is x, equal to 9. So this is the solution to this equation. You can verify if this is the solution of this equation by substituting x equal 9 to this equation. This is check, okay? So x equal 9, you substitute this into this equation, substitute 9 for x. So 9 to x, you have 9 plus 1 divided by 2 minus, so substitute 9 for x. You have 9 minus 3 divided by 3 equal to, now after you substitute, you don't know if the left hand side is still equal to the right hand side, so you put a question mark. So now simplify. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 divided by 2 minus 9 subtract 3 is 6. Okay, 6 over 3. 10 divided by 2 is 5 minus 6 divided by 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Yes, so the 3 on the left hand side equal to 3 on the right hand side. That means you have obtained the correct answer, which is x equal to 9.